Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you today because they have been so requested, like extra requested. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. It is called Golf Time Stamps. Now, I don't know about you, but I have a lot of people in my life that love golfing, Tiffany included. So if you have anyone in your life that loves golf, this is for you. Now, you're also getting all these fun stamps. So you're getting the stamps, you're getting the golf club itself, you're getting it's par for the course, let's party, may the course be with you, get it? And you've got drive. Now, I don't know about you, but I am kind of like someone that likes to color, but sometimes I don't have time to color. So guess what? I came out with a stencil for this one because I just didn't want to make sure, I wanted to make sure I had time. Let me start that again. I wanted to make sure I had something I could use to color this quickly if needed. So yes, I did a stencil just for me. Don't buy it. Don't even look at it. I made it for myself. I mean, it's on the website. You could buy it if you really wanted to. Now, we also, of course, have the dies that match because you know me, I am no way in the world going to try to fuzzy cut that. Yes, I said fuzzy. I did not say fussy because that's what it looks like, right? Now, every golfer needs golf clubs, but they also need, wait for it, a golf cart. So now we have a golf cart folded, and let me tell you, let me show you how cool this is, especially even for the women in your life. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? I have a lot of more samples to show you in just a second, but I wanted you to see this one first. I love it. Now, last but not least for today's video, I have the last of the mini Slimline peeps. This is Miller. This is named after one of my grandsons. And yes, it is time for Miller. So Miller has a mini version, as do all the peeps, right? For stamps and dies. But now we have them in Slimline version, meaning it's a fold it. What do I mean? Look at how adorable this little guy is. Now, yes, we have Miller. Let's get them all out. Yes, we have Kirsten. Yes, we have Katie. There we go. Let's make sure we can get all these on camera. And then now we have Miller now, and we also had Liam. So now all of our peeps are now available. All of these are now available in mini Slimline size folded. So you could do a shaped card like this. You could add it to a card like this if you wanted to. The choice is yours. Now, all of the clothing, these are like paper dolls, okay? You know back in the olden days, we had paper dolls, right? These are paper dolls. I don't know why I'm not calling them paper dolls, but they are. So they're perfect for every day. They're perfect for banners. They're perfect for anything. I have lots of samples to show you. But wait, there's more, because not only do you get cute little Miller with his baseball, because it's baseball season right now, you got his cute little outfit. All of the things are interchangeable. Don't forget, for all the paper dolls. There's also extra items for him to wear. Now, there's even more clothes coming and shoes. I know you've all been asking for shoes, coming soon to a theater near you, let me tell you. So there we go. Now we have Miller as a paper doll. Now, let's jump in and look at all of our samples, because I know that when it's flat like this, it doesn't make as much sense. But when it's like this, you really get it, right? Now, why does Miller have kind of what I would call like a flat top or something like that? When he was a little boy, when he was a baby, he always had crazy hair. I don't know what the deal was, but his hair was always kind of little funky dunky. So that's how he got this kind of cute little haircut. So that is Miller. Don't forget, we also have Liam and we have the two girls. Now, those are some great samples. So this is on a mini Slimline card. These are shaped cards. Here it is. Michelle made this using our felt, our wool felt. But look at this. So it's a cute little like banner. It could be a page of a book. But look, she put Velcro on the backs of all of these, so you could easily dress him and undress him any which way you want. Isn't that adorable? She did that also for Liam, but a separate way, where the pieces were on a card instead. And she has a little pocket back here. So lots of different ideas for these little guys, right? Now, let's go check out some of our golf stuff, because I know a lot of you are like freaking out because we finally have golf stuff. So there's a cute one. This is perfect for the women. Here's a great one for the guys. So now Father's Day is coming up. We have all those other like holidays for any guy in your life, any woman in your life that loves to golf. I'm telling you, I know a lot of people that love to golf. I'm not one of them. I can do miniature golfing, but that's about it. I'm not even good at that. But look at how cute these are. I love this with the grass in the background. Open it up. Happy birthday. Ooh, here's a fun one. Look at this one. Ready? This is one of our fun card bases. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love that. May the course be with you. That is so cute. Here's another one. Let's party. I love it. Now, let's look at some of those golf carts. Now, Tiffany always has some fun stories about golf carts. I wish she was here to tell you all the stories. But there's a cute one. Now, here's a fun one because look at this. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Dun, 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 dun. It stands up. Oops, hang on. I got to get that up there. It stands up and says Happy Father's Day. Isn't that adorable? Can you imagine giving that to someone? Here's another cute one. So yes, you can make shaped cards out of this. You can make, oh, did I show you this one? I don't remember. You can make shaped cards. You can make a stand up. You could make a step up from these, but you could also make a box it. So here's a cute little box if you're doing like a golf theme party or anything like that. And dun, 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 you could even do a scrapbook page. Look at how cute that is. I absolutely love it. It's so fun. We got little Miller in there and we have the golf cart. I absolutely love it. So my friends, I know you know the deal. You know that if you're a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day, every single item, every single order, as long as you're a club member. Now, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website. Can I tell you another secret? They're on flash sale. That means you're getting an extra discount for the first 24 hours or until sold out, and you're getting your club discount if you're a club member. Now, can you purchase on our website at regular price? Absolutely. Any day, anytime, yes, you can. But wouldn't it be awesome to be able to go to a website anytime you want and have it be on sale? That's what it's like to be a club member. So if you decide to go on our website, blah, blah, blah day, everything's on sale if you're a club member. 15 to 20% off the entire website. Every single day, every single item, every single order. Our clubs start at as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on the tab up at the top that says Join the Club and just watch that video. I explain each and every club, why each one is awesome, and then you have the hard part. You have to decide which one you want to join. Now, I'll be honest. We do have some people that refuse to make that decision about which club to join. They just joined them all. Those are our Diamond Club members. We have a huge group of lovely crafters that love all of our products, and they're Diamond Club members. So they get extra benefits and perks and all this awesome stuff. But go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And you know what? I will see you there. Bye-bye.